In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change the Chromebook wallpaper and use your own photo to be displayed as the wallpaper. So there are two different methods, and let's try with the first method. First is, of course, you have to reveal the desktop background, and you want to right click here on anywhere on the background, and you want to select set wallpaper and style. By the way, if you don't know how to right click, I actually have made a tutorial video, so you can check it out on this channel. Anyway, let's click set wallpaper and style, and I'm going to go to wallpaper, and this is the selection, the options that you can try. These are just some options provided by Google, and these are just photos that look great on your Chromebook, but of course I want to use my own photo, and that option is available on the very first option. You can either go to Google Photos, or if you want to browse photos on your device. I'm going to select my images because I do have some photos that I prepared, and let's try this photo, which is a Windows photo. So I think that's very interesting to use this photo as the desktop wallpaper for my Chromebook. Now, once you're done, you can close the wallpaper app here, and it will reveal this desktop background. I think it is pretty easy to use that method, but there is also another method. You have to open the Files app, and after that you want to navigate to the directory where you store the photos that you want to use as a desktop background. The photo that I want to use is stored in the downloads folder, so I have to open it, and this is the photo. I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to click set as a wallpaper, and just wait until the photo is being applied. So if I minimize it, you'll see that now I have a new wallpaper that I just applied from the Files app on my Chromebook device. So that's how you can apply your own photo as a wallpaper on your Chromebook device. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.